evening. How are you doing?
Good evening. I'm fine. I'm okay. How are you?
Doing amazing as ever. How did your
Yeah,
day go?
you're glowing pink. Pink or like
I
you're
put
looking so
blush,
nice.
don't worry.
Yes, yes, yes.
So, how did your day go?
It was a lethargic day, I can say, because I'm not going to office for a couple of days, like from Monday, as I'm not well, and I think it's my last day of leaves. And from
Hmm,
tomorrow, I have to go to office, so I'm feeling bit low. That's why
very well. I haven't been going to office since a couple of days, okay?
I haven't been going to
Or I
office.
won't be
Okay,
going
yeah.
for the next couple of days too. Okay, so you're sick and you have to go to work. That is a very difficult thing, actually.
No, actually, I was sick. Now I'm fine. I'm okay. But again, like it's been 4 days. I'm not going to office, so I feel like no, I'm used to it, and I'm habitual to this. Like being on bed only. So
Yeah,
maybe that's why.
sometimes it's not just going to office. The work is fine, but getting up early, doing everything and rushing for work, that is the pain.
Getting ready and like yes, waking up early in the morning, making your tiffin and all these things. Yes.
Yes. What are some of the occupational hazards in your at your workplace, in your kind of a job?
Uh Not like I cannot say it's hazards, but sometimes it's like mm the daily stuff. Like every day, if you're listening the same thing, then that gets like you get bored or you're like not again. So otherwise, I like going to office. I like in that work environment instead of sitting home or working from home. So it's not like it's just that I am just feeling a bit low. That's why. Nothing like I have issues with going to office. I love going to office and spending my like day there or working hours there.
Very well. If you announce your goals to others, you are less likely to succeed. Do you think this is true?
Mm, no, I don't think so. But on the contrary, I believe that uh, like today itself, I read it somewhere maybe. Uh, just show or behave like you don't even have braid and show people when you have bakery. There was something like properly constructed or well
Hmm.
you know
Well established. Hmm.
yeah, well established, but I cannot recall that right now. But what I understood is just behave down to earth or humble, that you don't even afford bread right now, and just let people assume whatever they want to, and just explore or no, not explore, reveal when you own a bakery,
Yes,
sort
yes,
of.
yes.
Yeah.
That you can't afford, okay? Not don't afford. Just show that you can't even afford bread,
You
but
can't afford,
reveal
yeah, you can't
reveal
even.
it, or sometimes let your work show on its own instead of speaking. That is also one of the quotes I've heard. Let
Yeah,
your
let
work
them know
speak.
when you own a bakery, maybe. Yeah.
Yes. Well,
So it
which is
is.
the
So
best?
I don't. Mhm.
Continue. So you don't?
No, I was like going back to the question you asked. I don't think it impacts much if you reveal your goal to others or not, because anyway you're going to work on your goals, and sometimes it's good because other person would get inspiration or that push to work on their goals as well. So I think it would work in that way for me.
Mhm. Very well. There are a lot of people who do trust their friends a lot, friends and family a lot,
Mhm.
and they like to include their friends and family in their businesses. So I think there it's fine for people to tell. Some people like to work quietly, so I guess that is also fine for them.
Yeah, it differs from person to person, like what they prefer.
Hmm,
Different.
I guess. Which is the best fast food chain according to you?
Based fast food chain. I think Chinese.
Okay, chain means like see, McDonald's is a chain, Domino's is a
Mm-hmm.
chain. Okay, Chinese is a
Okay, so I have
cuisine.
to give you.
Yes,
Okay, so I have to give you. Okay, okay, okay. But then I think I would not be able to
you like all
because
chopsticks.
no, because fast food like pasta and no, sorry, pasta no, pizza, burger, and like the things, the examples you have given, Domino's and McDonald's, I don't prefer or I don't like the fast food from McDonald's and Domino's. What I would prefer is Italian stuff, and I don't know the names for that. Maybe
Oh, that's
that's
very nice. High five to that because it's the same, exact same for me. Like, I don't prefer fast food chains, but I love Italian. I love pizza and okay, pizza they sell everywhere, but like I love pasta a lot. So yeah,
yeah, white sauce pasta. Yum.
you're right. Why would you mention it? I'm tempted now.
Yeah.
My a
Okay.
friend of mine just a while back got apple cake for me, and I thought apple cake is that's very strange, but I ate it and it's
Mhm.
so delicious. It's very simple actually. It's the simplest cake I have ever seen, but it is so
Mhm.
delicious. You should totally try it if you get it in your region.
It will give you a flavor of apple, right?
Yes, yes, like
Okay.
it's so simple. It's like those cakes we make at home. No cream, doesn't look fancy, just looks like a small, tiny block. But it's very nice. So you should try it.
Okay. Yeah, actually, I haven't even heard of it. Like, I ate
Even I hadn't.
banana cake and all, but not apple. But yeah, it's like good option. I'll try to find it out somewhere at my place.
Yes, it's a good option. Okay,
It's yeah, it's a good option.
fine.
Yeah.
I'll tell you an ironical statement. Tell me if it's true or not. Okay? Smartphones
Mm-hmm.
make us stupid. Do you think it's true?
It's so like diplomatic. I can give you diplomatic answer only because I cannot say yes and I cannot even say no because it depends how you use it. If you use it for like necessary things, it is not at all. But if you're using it for the whole day, it will.
Mm-hmm.
So yes, I think nowadays people are like begging us or requesting us to stay away from smartphones because that is something ruining our life. We are not able to concentrate on anything. And trust me, if I'm not using smartphone for some time, I'll get bored. And I think we should get used to it. We should get bored sometimes because that is giving you your own time and like time to think about something else which is out of smartphone and out of entertainment. So maybe I'm in a favor of 70% yes and 30% no.
Very well. It's a 50-50 opinion for me too, because I think to an extent it has made me a little stupid. Because I see myself opening the calculator every single time for simple calculations, and I think to myself, what am I doing?
Yeah, like these are the things we can do by ourselves. But still, if we have some gadget or something, we try to do it faster and
Hmm,
we end up using smartphone only.
true. Have you ever watched Doraemon?
Ever, yeah. I mean, I sometimes now also I do watch. It gives me like happiness.
Which is your favorite gadget?
uh, there are many. Like I cannot, but I cannot like say one. There are many. I like all the things.
You
Uh,
like all gadgets?
the
Okay,
gadget.
any one gadget you
Yes.
would like to use for yourself?
Mm, no, I don't want to.
Oh no, not even the anywhere door? Oh, Arushi,
No,
come
I
on.
because I like because why do you want to?
Obviously.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, it seems very obvious for you. But I don't
Hmm.
know why. I don't. Okay,
You like
I
things
didn't.
more natural and to flow in your life? Do you wait for magic to happen in your life, some miracles to happen? Or do you like taking life more realistically?
Uh, no, I think that yes, it is interesting. Like magic, not magic, but I don't know it'll happen or not. But you should always believe in that it will happen. So it makes your life more interesting. That something will happen. Relax. Uh, you keep doing your stuff, and when you get something unexpected, that is only magic for me, and I'm happy with that. So yes, I may believe in that. Like magic will happens, magic happens, right?
Magic will happen or magic happen? Miracles happen. Okay? Okay.
Yeah.
What is an event from your past that you want to see a recording of?
Mm, there are many,
Okay. Any that
but
you can share, one or two.
any that you
Can share. Any one or two that you
can
can
share.
share.
Okay. Mm, I think, yeah, go recently, like I went to Manali. You must know about it. So now the temperature of Nagpur is above 45. So I keep recalling those things, and I feel like I want those days back, or I should go there now, not in like winter or when I went in December. I should have skipped that, and I should go now or enjoy that weather or that nature things. So
Mhm.
yes,
Very well. So instead of
recent.
recalling, you can say reminiscing. Okay, I keep reminiscing about those days in Manali.
Yes, yes, I keep reminiscing. It's a very good word.
Very well. I can understand. It's not that hot here, fortunately. I think it should be
Hmm.
25, 28. That's it. So it's okay.
You guys are blessed.
Yes, this is one thing I keep showing off about. I'm like, I'm enjoying. I'm enjoying. I will call my cousins in the north and say, "Ha, you guys, you keep suffering. I'm enjoying." I'm really
Karnataka,
enjoying.
right?
Yes, Karnataka.
Oh, yeah, good place. I mean, yes, it is very good place then. If it is like, what is the highest temperature till now?
It
At least
should
this year.
be, I don't know, but it should have been about some 35, I think. I don't think we would have crossed 35. I don't think. Even 35, I doubt. Okay, I'm just saying it. It's not that I keep a track, but it's mostly between 20 and 26, 28. So 30 also is sometimes, some days when it's really hot.
Yeah.
But I don't mind. I like summer.
Oh, oh yeah, you sleep without fan. Expected. You should come to then Nagpur then. Then you will feel like no, I don't like summer. Now
I
I
cannot.
now I understand why you can sleep without fan, because it's not too hot there. I mean, still it's crazy, but you can adjust.
I can't see the fan. I'm ready to suffer, but I cannot look at the fan. So yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Um, I've told you the correction, so I will go ahead with one question. Okay. Do you
Okay.
believe in the soul?
Mm, yes, I do.
Do you think do you have you ever experienced it as such, or it's still like a mystery as to what it is?
Not experienced it, but the stories I have heard. So I think there are multiple stories, not from one person or other person. A lot of people keep telling you the stories, so I think there might be something which I cannot experience till now, but maybe in future. So yeah, I think it is there.
Mhm. Okay. What are some bad habits that you wish you could stop? Like silly bad habits.
Uh silly bad habits. Mm, 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 mm. There are a lot of bad habits actually. The one only, like using phones after every 10 minutes, like checking. There's nothing, but still, like first opening Instagram, then WhatsApp, then something else, and then keep it like
Mhm.
before, or keep it as it is.
Keep it
So
as it
that's
is.
the only thing I think I really want to get rid of it, because it's not good.
Mhm.
And I am doing that practice for morning. Like when I get up in the morning, I try to not touch my phone at least for 1 hour. I know it's difficult, but I'm doing that.
Oh, that's very nice. Like a digital detox. Even one hour before sleeping. Yeah, it's actually said to be a very good practice. It's good. I actually don't use WhatsApp like at all. So this is just I think YouTube is what I use maximum, and I'm not yet ready to let go of the habit. So no one can
Okay,
save
great,
me.
great.
Very well.
One question only. You said a option like earlier. Why it's a option and not an option?
No, it is an option. Did I say a option?
Yes.
Okay, it's
Maybe.
an option. I'm so sorry. But what I meant to say is you have to
Oh,
add an article. I think that is what I would have meant over there. I'm so sorry. An
okay.
option.
No,
Okay.
no, it's fine.
Yes.
Okay,
And
okay,
also your
okay. No problem.
pronunciation of chain. Okay. Food chain. So stress on chain,
Food chain.
not chain. Chain. Food chain.
Chain. Food
Yes.
chain.
Yes. You have to
Nice.
sing some words like that. Okay. We should not keep
Yeah.
going fast. I told you about this, right? You have to put some emotions into
Yes,
some
yes.
words.